Hi guys, today I'm me, gaming guy Mustafa. We're talking about and playing gameplay about Minecraft PE. I have already walls, so today we choose the survival. We call it the YouTube world. The YouTube world. It's easy. Oh, no place, so world. Survivor and advanced. We need it like old, and the seed you can use a big fat pig. Okay, big fat pig. Survive and create the world. Come on, let's begin up. This is the old place. Now we take the wood. For sure we take the wood. Come on, now we take the wood from the trees. For mining and everything we make it on this video. And if you subscribe, I can make in the same world another video and I have been better. For being better in Minecraft. You can see, for all YouTubers, if you want to make a Minecraft video, you should start with Survivor. Because I have so much friends that plays Minecraft. Oh, wolves! Oh, what's this? Yeah, wolves. I need these wolves because they're so... I think they will be my friends. Come on, full heart. If you want darkness, zombies. But I didn't did anything. I need to have 15 wood. Yes, 15 wood. Better. And now we'll make things. What the? Come on. Speeding up. Oh shit, I can make a pickaxe. Ah, shit. Oh, here's the good wood. I hate swimming. It's so slow. Run! Come on, fast as lightning. Yes, come on. I can make it. I need also 15 from this one. I think the next video you see my armor and everything. I have, because I will be better and better the game. So let's bring it up. And I can teach you a glitch or a hack. But it's an easy hack. First, if you want your hearts always full in Minecraft PE, go to back, options, and choose the difficulty. If you want the difficulty like this, you'll make it so you die in 1 second. If you make it like this like me, nobody can beat me. Also, if they are beating me, they can't. So use that hack. It's good. And it's 100% will be good. For playing Minecraft, I think Minecraft is a perfect game. Everybody likes it. I have 12 wood. Okay, no problem. I don't have a problem. Ah, swimming again. Hey! No time for this, no time for that, no time. Hi, Bobby. Bobby! Oh, I have a crafting table. Now we'll make our home. Where do I make my home? Where? Oh, in the sea. That's easy. Everybody is making his home in the sea. But you need a flat one. Means you should not go see like this one, like the sea. I'm not swimming. Okay. See, like you should make like this, keeping up like this, yeah. Then you can make your house. And oh shit, I can't put this one. Come on. Yes, that's good. Now I need this one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Go a bit so fast for you YouTubers. If you like my videos, I can make more videos about Minecraft and Xbox One and PS4 and PlayStation 3. Only you should say to me, what do I do? When I close it, it will be good. I think. What? A lot of alarm. Okay, come on. Oh, it's starting the darkest. What the? No problem. Do it all again. Ah! Hey guys, this is part 1. Still we didn't make. It's not the full video. If I made the full video, it can make like 1 hour. But I'll take from your time. Okay, no time for this. To the time make this word, but I have only this one. Hey, only this one. Yeah. Only this one. Yeah. I don't have much wood. Yeah. I don't have much wood. That will make wood. Cause I'm getting wood. I'm making wood. I'm the wood man. Take the diamond sword and take the axe and have the big axe. Have a chest. Yeah. And have the trapdoor too. And the door 4. Now what we do? Yeah. Okay. Whoops. Uh-oh. Whoops. Okay, come on, I don't have time. I will only kill one monster for you. For showing you that my glitch is good. Where do I get a monster in the dark? Where do I get? Nothing. Okay, let's go. Where do I get a monster? Oh, monsters. Yeah, my glitch is being good. Like, is that this one a monster? Who is that? Oh. Hi, Gucci. What a nice dog. Aww. Okay, come on. Enderman! Sorry. I can't kill him. Enderman! I should go. Hey, bye guys. There is an Enderman. I can't fight with him now, so I should go. Bye. I hope you like the video. It's only the part 1. We have like 5 parts or 6. So be with me always. So and bye.